Hey guys, welcome. This is Goswill, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually automate posts from your blog to your social media using RSS feed. So we have a feature called the RSS feed automation, and I would like to share light on those or on this particular feature, and then also explain why you might want to actually use this. Okay, for starters, what is an RSS feed? RSS feed is a technology that actually allow blog or content publishers to actually have like a URL which other apps can connect to. Okay, but let's not get too technical. But the whole idea here is, for example, you have a blog, and let's say this blog now, this is one of our websites. These are posts that we make every once in a while. Now, instead of having to copy the link for this post and then going to your social media to post it every time you have a new blog post, you can actually use this automation. Just get the RSS feed for this particular blog feed, and then ContentBurger will automate posting to your social media based on those parameters. Also, say you are a good follower of a site like CNN or some very popular site actually where you are getting news or whatever. So you don't even have to own these blogs for you to actually automate those contents. So any website that you know, okay, you actually like their content or the type of article that they share, and you feel it to be valuable to your audience. So what you can do is go to any site online. All you need to do is get the RSS feed URL, and then using that you can actually automate the post using ContentBurger. So I believe that's clear, but if it's not clear, probably you just drop some comments on the video so I can personally respond to those. All right, so let's start. So for you to actually use this feature, all you need to do is go to automation. Under automation, you go to RSS feed automation. Now you start by clicking on add new, and then you then create the name for that automation. Let's say RSS feed demo. Now you can now select the social media accounts that you want this to be posted to. I'll pick probably this. So it can be Twitter, Facebook, blah blah, anything. And if you need to add new accounts that you've not actually added to your ContentBurger account already, like new pages or social media pages which you've not already added to your ContentBurger account, you can simply click on this, and then this will take you to connect to those accounts, to those social media profiles where you can actually select the pages that you want to add. So I'll just pick one or two here, then I'll move to next. Moving to next, now this is where you add the RSS feed URL proper. Now, if it's a default WordPress site, like for this URL, now this is a WordPress site, and I know it's a WordPress site. So if you have a WordPress site, what you need to do is pretty simple. Just go to your domain/feed. So going to your domain/feed will generate something like this. If you see something like this, that shows that, okay, here, the RSS feed is actually, this is the actual or the right or the correct URL for the RSS feed. So what you can do now is click on copy, move into ContentBurger, add the URL, and then click on next. Then ContentBurger will ask you if you need to add hashtag. Say you are following some specific hashtags that you know can drive traffic to your post. So what you need to do is add the hashtag here based on what you already do. If you need to create a new hashtag, because we also give you a way to create hashtag groups. Hashtag groups actually allow you to set a group of hashtags. Let's say you have 5 different hashtags when you're posting about marketing. You have 10 different hashtags when you're posting about food, recipe, or fitness. With ContentBurger, you can actually group those hashtags in such a way that each time you want to make a post about fitness, you don't have to start writing those individual hashtags. You simply come here and select the hashtag that you've saved already. But for this particular account I'm using for this demo, there's no saved hashtag already. So I'm just going to go in here and say social media, call the name of this hashtag group social media. Let's say RSS, then say, so this is it. Now you can decide to append or replace. Appending this will actually add this hashtag to the end of the post. Why? If you click on replace, what it does is if there's a word called RSS feed in the description for the post that you're making, instead of adding uh, RSS, it will replace where anywhere there's an occurrence of this particular word to the hashtag instead of adding it at the end of the post. I hope that makes sense. Then when you're done, uh, you click on save. So now we have our hashtag. Then move to next. You can decide to skip this hashtag setup altogether. If you don't want to add hashtags, all you need to do is click on skip and then that goes off. But for this case now, I've actually chosen some hashtags. So I'll click on next. Then this takes me to where I can set the frequency. Now, what we're trying to do here, remember, we're trying to automatically fetch content from a particular website, from a particular blog that we posted to the social media that we selected on ContentBurger. So you have the liberty to select the occurrence. So if you want this post to be made every 3 hours, every 6 hours, blah blah. Say you want to make that every once a day. So you select once a day. Now, if you want this post to be be published immediately, then you click on post immediately. What this does is each time, based on the time that you set, ContentBurger will automatically pick that post from the RSS feed URL and publish it automatically to the social media accounts. But we've also given you the freedom or the flexibility to actually save for review. So saving for review, what this would do is ContentBurger will still go ahead and fetch those contents, but you will be able to approve them. So you just come back, look into this automation. You see posts that ContentBurger have fetched for you already, waiting for you to just click approve with one button, and then that gets published. So you are at liberty to actually do that. So let's say save for review. Max post per feed updates. Now, how many posts each time ContentBurger tries to update the post that is fetching from that URL? How many posts do you want it to carry? Let's say 20. So each time it fetches content from the RSS feed URL, what it does, it tries to populate at least 20 of those posts. Next, you click on save, and then you have the automation really ready to go. Now, at this point, you can click on view post to see all the posts that ContentBurger have taken from that RSS feed. Now, this is the original blog. If you see 5 mistakes job seekers make and how to fix them. Now, going to our account now, we should see that post here, probably somewhere down. Okay, 5 mistakes. So every post that's on this page now is automatically has been fetched now to our ContentBurger account. Now, what happened here is these posts now, they are actually in queue. So based on the frequency that we set, all these posts will automatically go out to be posted. Now, if you need to approve a post, you click on approve. I think what I did now, I selected the option that allowed me to save for review because I don't want it to be posted automatically. So what happens here now is you at liberty to now approve the post that you want. So this is it. So and if you need to still go back and edit this post before they are posted, you click on edit. This takes you to the editor where you can actually see the contents of this particular post, and then you can make adjustments as you want. So I'll just go back here. So you can see other posts, and then you can decide to jump in there, edit those posts. So it's a very simple process actually. So that's one of the automation. So let's try something else. Now I want us to use like a third-party blog. Let's say, because this case now I'm using a WordPress blog which we actually own. But sometimes you have other popular blogs. It mustn't be yours. You have other popular blogs out there which you know, okay, the content that they post are relevant, and I need to share this to my audience and use that to gain engagement and authority. So what you can do now, okay, let us start a new automation for this. Now you can create multiple automation running concurrently, so you are not limited to one. Now, depending on your plan, if you're on the basic plan, probably you have like five or thereabout. Uh, but if you need to get unlimited automations, then you get the pro plan. And if you want to get the pro plan, just again reply to this email or uh, make a comment on the where you're watching this video from, so I can hook you up a discount for you to claim the pro plan. So I'll call this RSS demo 2. Now the same process goes. I'll select the pages that I want to post this. Then I go to next. Now I have to set the RSS feed URL. In this case, let's do something now. I want us to go to Google. Say we like CNN. I want to start fetching posts from CNN automatically. If you don't know the RSS feed URL for CNN already, just go to Google and say CNN RSS feed URL. For most popular blog out there, using this simple search will actually give you the URL for their RSS feed. So this is where CNN store all their RSS feeds. Edition of cnn.com/services/RSS. Now they have RSS feed for different category of posts or news that they make. So let's say you are into entertainment, or let's say you are into technology. What you can do now is click on this technology RSS feed right here. All I need to do is grab this URL right here. Now I'll go back into ContentBurger, paste this URL, then click on next. Now I can decide to select the hashtag that I just set the last time. Automatically, all the hashtag that we added to this group, we've already will automatically display and ready to go. Next, I click on next, and then I set the frequency for this particular post. For this case, I'll still say save for review, and then probably I'll say per post, let's say we are fetching 50. Now I click on save. We have this automation saved now. So ContentBurger will start fetching those contents for that RSS feed. Mind you, the process of fetching this content mustn't be instant. Like, it's not always instant. Sometimes it takes a while for ContentBurger to run that operation to fetch those posts. But let's go in now. Let's click on view posts to see if some posts have been fetched. Okay. Luckily, right now it has already fetched a couple of posts for us. We have driverless Robbery's car makes track debut. Now, to see the actual link for this particular article, let me just open it in a new tab. So you can actually look at those articles, see whether it actually fits into what you want. So this is the CNN article link. Then if you go back here, if you like that, all we need to do is click on approve. But mind you, if we set the option to automatically post this, then we don't have to manually come and approve this post. It just gets posted automatically. So right now we have like a couple of posts that is set to be posted every 3 hours. So if I happen to approve all of these posts right here, what that will mean is every 3 hours it picks each one of the posts that we've already approved. So if you understand, this is a very cool way for you to actually automate how you engage or how you post content to your social media account. Now, if you go to the next refill time, this will show you the next time that ContentBurger will try to fetch content from that RSS feed to update the queue. So it's very simple and it's really cool. Then if you go down here now, you can actually select or filter by, like, and filter if say you have like 100 automations running right here, and you want to see automations that are active for a particular page on your site, all you need to do is click on that particular page, and then that is done. All right, so this is a very short video. I felt I actually jump down to explain this concept for you. ContentBurger is a really powerful platform, and I believe we've not done justice to how we actually present these features or present the value to our customers. But I hope this short video has been able to give you some clarity on how the RSS automation works and how you can actually implement this for your business. I love you guys, and we are here to help you.